Hello and welcome. In this guide, we'll walk through the steps to reset your password in Bold BI. Before you begin, if you're using the Bold BI Enterprise server, ensure that the SMTP email settings for your user management system site have been configured. These settings are required to send password reset emails. If SMTP settings are not configured, configure the email settings. I have included a video link in the description that shows how to configure your email settings for your reference. Only the users in the System Administrator group can configure the email settings. Note that the password reset process is the same for both the Bold BI Enterprise and Cloud Server. The Cloud Server already has email settings configured by default. If you've forgotten your password, navigate to the Bold BI login page. If clicking "Cannot access your account" displays an error or you do not receive the recovery email, it is likely that the SMTP email settings have not been configured on your Bold BI user management page. In this case, contact your administrator for assistance in configuring email settings or resetting your password manually. Click the "Cannot access your account" link located below the login form. Enter the email address associated with your Bold BI account. Click Send Recovery Link. Bold BI will generate and send a password recovery email to the address you provided. Check your inbox for the password reset email. Open the email and click the password reset link. Please note that this link is valid for 2 hours from the time it is generated. The reset link will open the password reset page. Enter your new password. Re-enter the same password in the Confirm Password field. Once completed, click Reset My Password. Your password has now been successfully updated. In this video, I've shown you how to reset your password in Bold BI. Thanks for watching.